Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone present. Indeed a pleasure of mine to welcome you all for this very beautiful occasion and a program. Islami Muashara Committee, Bhatkal and Bhatkal Muslim Youth Federation and the NSS wing of Anjuman Degree College. And yes, very importantly, an initiative is also being collaborated by Uttar Kannada District Police and Bhatkal Town Police Station. Thank you so much, sir. It's really an honor to have this beautiful program organized at such a short notice. To begin this session on a very spiritual note, let's start the program with the recitation of Holy Quranic verses. And to do this honor, I request Abdul Rahman from the BCom first year to please come forward and recite a few verses of the Holy Quran. Thank you so much, Abdul Rahman. Without having any further do's, I request now one of the active members of Anjuman, the Mubashir Hazare sir, who is Anjuman executive member, to please come forward and do a short welcome on today's program.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. Respected President of the function, Vice President of Anjuman Ahli Muslimin, Mr. Sadiq Pildur, Chief Guest of the Police Program, SP of Uttar Kannada, Mr. Deepan sir. I welcome you on behalf of Anjuman Ahli Muslimin and all others present over here. I request College Secretary Priyas sir to garland our chief guest of today's function, Mr. Tripan sir. Dignitaries of this of honor, Deputy Kazi of Jamaat Muslimin, Mullah Ansar Majid, I welcome you, sir, and rest all of the dignitaries, present on the dais, principal, concerned secretaries, member of the Anjuman, students, and friends. Today is very important program for us, which include mostly cybercrime and drug awareness program. From past many days, Islam Ashura Committee, along with other organizations of Patkal, are conducting various programs on drug awareness in different school, colleges, corner meeting, sport level, and inshallah soon again one more a big program for the public will also be happening in soon. So once again I welcome you all on behalf of all the organization, and especially I welcome all the police department for joining and joining hand with us for this awareness program. Thank you, sir. Welcome you all.
Now it's time that we inaugurate the function with a brief watering of the plant. Can you please bring forward? Yes. I request the chief guest to please inaugurate the function by watering the plant. The other dignitaries on the dais can also join in, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now it's time that we have a brief introduction of today's chief guest. I request it's time now that we introduce today's guest and also have a brief introductory remark on the program of today's drug awareness session. So I request Advocate Imran Lanka Sahab, who is the ex-faculty of this very institute and now serving as the Vice President of Jali Town Panchayat, to please come forward and introduce today's chief guest and the program. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Respected dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, management, staff, faculty members, and my dear students. Today we have a special guest in front of us who is in a way very young, very dynamic. He is basically from Bangalore. He did his schooling from Presidency School, Bangalore. His pre-university from MES College, Bangalore. He went on to do his BTech from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, and for his further studies, he went on to do his business management from Jönköping International Business School, Sweden, and then he went on to do his post-graduation from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Every person who has did his studies, did his hard work to reach the place where he is today. Not only this, after completing his studies from Bangalore to Sweden, again to IIM Ahmedabad, he joined his work in electrical sector of Karnataka, emergency issues management. He worked there in 2028. I am telling you all this for a specific reason. After that, he did his intern. Sir, if I am not wrong, all the information I have. He did his intern in Nokia in 2010. He was an intern in Nokia. Then, young leader management trainee, urban territory management, zonal sales manager, all this in Airtel. Then he went on to clear his IPS examinations. In 2019, he was selected as IPS training office trainee, then assistant ACP Karnataka State Police in 2021 to 2023. Then he served as Commandant 1st Battalion Reserve State Police, Bangalore. After that, in 2024-2025, he took as SP Uttar Kannada District, Karwar, and he is right in front of us, present here. It's a honor having a person like him in front of us. He did his schooling, education, then worked hard to clear IPS, and then took charge as a head of a police, superintendent of police in our district. Now, he is present here. He is very interested in working towards maintaining peace in the society. And first instance, to maintain peace, it was his vision that the subjects that we have selected today, there are two subjects. One is cybercrime that is happening around with the increase in cyber technology, there is an increase in cybercrime. Second thing is anti-drug awareness campaign that is going on in Bhatkal for the last 15 days. He was wanting to be part of this program to make sure that the society is clean